Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, WillieDeans Kitchen. Today we're going to cook some fish that my cousin caught when he went on his fishing trip to Alaska. Here's some Pacific cod that he brought back from his fishing trip. So we're going to cook off this cod today, and we're going to combine that or serve that with our tomato and corn relish, which is going to be made from this fresh corn, these fresh tomatoes, and this fresh red onion. Then we're going to have a cauliflower puree to go with this as well. So we got some fresh cauliflower here. I want to use fresh ingredients because this is a good piece of fish and it deserves some fresh ingredients with that. And we're also going to season things up with some salt and pepper, maybe a little bit of garlic, might even sprinkle some Old Bay on there to just bring out that seafood flavor. But this is our ingredients. We're going to get started, or I'm going to get started on getting this prepared and plated up for you. So stay tuned. Okay everyone, we're going to mix up our corn and tomato relish real quick. I took the corn off the cob, sauteed it in the pan with the red onions and some salt and pepper. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add the tomatoes here. Got some tomatoes here. We got a small amount of white wine vinegar right in there. Add that in there. Have some black pepper. Go with that. A little bit more salt. And we have a little parsley there. And now just a little squeeze of olive oil. And we're going to mix this up. This is going to be our side dish on our fish tonight. So that looks good. Give it a quick taste here. Tastes great. Okay, we're moving on to our cauliflower puree. Okay, so we have our skillet getting hot. We seasoned up our fish. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some oil in it. As you can see, it's smoking hot because we want to get a nice sear on this. Make sure we get some oil all over. And then we're going to take our fish, set it right in there. So we're going to let this go for a couple of minutes on this side, and then we'll flip it over. We want to get a nice brown sear on it. Okay, so we finished preparing our fish of the day, the Pacific Cod Fish. We garnished this with some cauliflower puree, some roasted cauliflower, the corn and tomato relish, and we have a grilled lemon here, and we have the seared off fish. So the plate looks good. It has a lot of color to it. We're going to give the fish a taste here. Tastes good. Doesn't taste fishy. Has a nice flavor to it. Squeeze a little bit of this grilled lemon on there. Taste our cauliflower. Get everything together in one bite. Oh yeah, that tastes really good. I like the combination of tomatoes and corn. I think it goes really well with fish. And the lemon adds a little bit of zest to it and freshness. So actually it's really good. I'm gonna try a little bit more. Yeah, very delicious. So this is our meal. There's a lot more prep working put into this than there was cooking the fish. So it's a good meal. I hope you try this at home. I'm going to put all the ingredients down below for you in the list below. And I want to thank everybody for visiting WillieDeans Kitchen. Thank you and have a good day.